So guys, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description to download the Intel wireless Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. So you want to click on version and then make sure that it says latest. At the time of this recording, the latest version for me is 23.60.0. So now once you selected the latest version, you want to scroll down and then click on download. And then click on I accept. Now it's downloading. Now I'm trying to install it. Double click on it. And then click on yes. Now once you're in here, you're going to click on next. Now it's installing. Now click on next again. Click on I accept. Click on next. And you can go for either a typical, custom, or complete. A typical will install the most common program features recommended for most users. I recommend just going with this one. Or you can go with custom, which will allow users to choose which program features will be installed and where they'll be installed. Recommended for advanced users. Or you can go with complete. All program features will be installed. Requires the most disk space. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go with typical. And then click on install. Now that's been done, you're going to click on finish. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then that's how you do it.